Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable image stabilization in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, tap on the arrow icon here, and here you have stabilization. So you have you can disable stabilization, you can set normal or hyper steady. So yeah, you have two different stabilization modes, the normal and hyper steady stabilization. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.